Morning guys, April 28th, 2025. I got a call from a guy, no heat call. I don't think I ever worked for him before, but he seems to know who I am, so. Anyway, he's got a gas boiler, no heat. We're gonna go over there and see if we can figure out what's ailing the unit. See if we can figure it out. Miss Molly? Playing catch me if you can this morning. I had to go chase her ass to catch her. Catch me if you can. Yeah. Catch me if you can. Alright, why don't you turn on the power? The pilot's on. And they got the thermostat turned up.
Yeah, I'll turn up for you.
Well, we got zone valves here. So what be that? That's the transformer's cooked. That could be cooked. Let's see what's going on here.
Okay.
So now none of the zones work?
No.
Couldn't figure it out.
I'm electrical, not plumbing.
That was tripped.
Okay.
That right there was tripped. That might be what the problem is.
You might have a problem with that unit.
That's what the problem was right there. Son of a bitch. See that little reset button right there?
Yeah.
I had to hit that. That might have got a, you know, it's been windy.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to bend it out of the way a little bit.
Okay.
That might take care of it.
Sure.
What kind of chimney we got here? Oh, B-vent. Sometimes if it's a windy day and it's heating up and it blows down and it heats that up. So if you push it in and you hear it click, that's the problem. Well, an easy one. Well, easy is good, right? Let's get a roll-out switch on it. Check the burners while I'm here. Just gonna check the burners while I'm here. What the hell? You gotta check the simple stuff first, right? You gotta check the simple stuff first. So how'd you get my number?
I've been watching your videos for years.
Oh, really?
Yes. That's why I had you go take care of the back of those feet.
Get it off and they're gonna spark. Yeah, the burners are nice and clean in this thing, so that's not a problem. I mean, it could be it could have been anything.
Sure.
It's just happened to be something simple.
Mm-hmm.
Not always. The chance of that happening again is probably 1 in 10.
Mm-hmm.
Could have been something else. Roll out switch, check burners, okay.